Hey guys, this is Akshay and welcome back to my channel. First of all, let me begin by thanking you all for all the positive response on my last video. I was glad that I was able to help you out with the wired Android Auto connection for the whole head unit reloaded app setup. Now, many of you reached out in the comment section and told me that, hey Akshay, I would want to know how we can set this up in a car. It's always better if we can see it in reality, right? So today for you guys, I'm here in my car. Which is a humble i20, and I have bought my tab here with me, which is already running the Android Auto head unit reloaded. It's paired with my phone, and I have the head unit of my car running as well. So without further ado, I'm going to explain you the whole setup. Now, if you have not gone through the previous video of how can we create this whole Android Auto setup, I would recommend you going through both the videos. They are not pretty long, they are pretty simple to easy and follow up. The only difference is where I'm using a secondary phone, you need to use a tab, and the primary phone stays the same. And then go to my second video where I have shown that how you can disable the audio sync option in the head unit reloaded app. It's very simple. It's just a small switch in the settings, and it's once you're done with that, you can come back again to this video and see this whole live setup, right? This is not going to be really long, and now I'm going to begin with the assumption that you have already set up the Android Auto head unit app on your tab. As you can see here, it's already connected, and my phone is actually projecting onto that. And coming to my head unit here on the car, now this head unit is not connected to the tab in any way. The phone is connected to the tab. It's actually running Android Auto wirelessly on the tab, and though my head unit is capable of running Android Auto, I'm going to use it as a on Bluetooth only device. In my second video where I had shown I'm using a Bluetooth speaker, consider this entire car's audio system as a Bluetooth speaker for my phone. It's, as you can see here, it's connected to the Bluetooth of my phone. Now let me go ahead and show you how it works. Let me press play. Increasing volume. Decreasing the volume, and I'm going to stop it, right? So I'm all controlling it from here. And I'm also going to switch the track using the steering controls itself. So as you can see, the whole setup works flawlessly. If you don't have a screen like this, if you have a basic music player which has Bluetooth connection, even that works the same way. You just need to connect your phone to Bluetooth of your car. Your car is going to act like a speaker, then replicate this Android Auto head unit setup that I had explained in my first video. Ensure that you go to the settings of head unit reloaded app, and in the audio, you disable the use as audio sync option and restart the head unit reloaded app. And this works flawlessly for the calls as well. So let me just make a quick dial.
Welcome to Geo. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲು ಒಂದನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ. To continue in English, press 2. हिंदी में जारी रखने के लिए 3 दबाएं.
So as you can see, even the calls work well, even the steering controls work really well. And the best part is you can keep your phone in the charger like this. It's going to charge, and you can use the USB port to power up your tab. So this was all about this very simple setup explained in a live example. So guys, I hope you found this video useful, and if it did, please consider liking this video, and also please consider sharing this video with your friends who need this kind of a setup on their car. Also consider dropping in the comment section what would you like to see in my next video. Until then, this is Akshay signing off. Take care and bye-bye.